So Satsuma is a newly emerging industry in this region, particularly in North Florida. Currently, we don't have research-based recommendation for this Satsuma production because it is only grown over here. And growers are using the guideline, which is for production in South Florida, and they are for sandy soil. This is a clay soil. It retains more water, more nutrient, less leaching of nutrients. The idea is there to find the best frequency, best application time, which can give us the maximum productivity. And we have a minimum nutrient leaching so that we have minimized the environmental impact.
Dr. Muhammad has worked with us, and Florida Citrus and his team has worked with us real close. The research is going to allow us to make better decisions for managing our crop. We've got several other growers that are involved, and just about anybody would appreciate the opportunity to get to work with this team.
When I accepted this position, my first 6 months was spending time with the growers to prioritize what are their needs, and this is one of their top needs to make this industry sustainable and profitable. That's the reason we are very grateful to the Nutrient Management Program at University of Florida and the AFDACs who gave us the money especially for this region to find out the research-based recommendation for these growers. The soil sampling and tissue sampling is the most important component. We have to track what is actually in the soil and what is the plant is uptaking them. So in that way, we have to make the correlation within the plant tissues and within the soil. In nutrient management, you cannot ignore the irrigation. We are using the soil-based moisture sensor and sap-based moisture sensor. So the sap-based moisture sensor will target the main trunk. It will let you know what is the actual plant need. And we are collecting the leaf tissues, mature leaves, which give us the real history of the nutrients in the plants. And then accordingly, you can save your water, which is the most important. We are in the third year of this project. We are observing the differences, but we need to validate the results up to maybe 2 to 3 more years. Then we will be able to give the final recommendation to the growers to be adopted on their commercial production systems. Basically, the citrus overall is not a new crop to me. I opened my eyes on a citrus farm. I natively belong to Pakistan, and we are third generation citrus growing family. So that was the motivation. I want to do the issue-oriented research. In this project, we are 2 postdocs working, Dr. Iqbal and Dr. Carlos, who is the leading in these activities of this nutrient management project. Our graduate students, they are involved in all the activities, fertilizer application, soil sampling, tissue sampling, the processing of soil and tissue sampling to the lab. And Dr. Nadeem, who is a food chemist, he's working to identify the nutrition quality, what is happening on the internal and external quality. In this whole effort, I would like to acknowledge the extension agents who are working with us, my team, my postdoc, my graduate students, my lab managers. I alone, I could not do this. It is a combined effort. We are working collectively to determine the best nitrogen rates so that we can have the maximum production and the good quality fruit.
Sweet. I eat these things all day long.